This here's my new to me BX25, Kubota BX25. It has what I would call a hard starting extended crank problem. Let me show it to you. Now it's already warmed up, I've got the glow plugs going now, so that's not an issue. And now, it's not going to start. However, if I take the throttle and I move it past a certain point, you'll hear it click. Hear that? Now I'm going to turn the throttle back down. And it fires right back up. Now that I've shut it off, it won't fire again. It'll go through that whole same thing. Completely off. Okay. Let me show you what's clicking and what's going on. So this here, right here, this is the fuel shut-off solenoid. So when it activates, it turns the fuel off, which shuts the engine off. So let me show you what it's doing. So with the fuel not set to wide open, but set to an idle, you go to crank it, and nothing. However, if you give it some, move the throttle, you'll watch this, and there it goes. Now it'll start. And from what I understand, that's not right. So the previous owner actually gave me this because they said the dealer told them that that fuel shutoff needed to be replaced. So I'm going to go ahead and swap this guy out, and we'll see if that fixes the problem. Okay, the key is off. I'm going to start it. I'm not going to touch the throttle, and we'll see if it'll start up. Fire right up. Okay, now I've turned it off, so I'm going to start it up again without touching the throttle. Actually, not a bad fix. So that's it. Not much to this video, but it now no longer is a hard starter and no longer has that extended crank. Is the machine perfect? Nope, but we're making progress.